ChatGPT 5 point. This is gonna be a big one. 6 soul. Extra fucking high reasoning. Or ultra reasoning. Wow. So, as we know, GPT 5.6 is out. Of course, you can read the documents. Soul is the best. That's why I put it on there. Another thing is here's some things. There's output tokens. I mean, the cost there really it's cost balance. This GPT 5.6 Soul is the best. Latency. It's the best. Codecs no longer exist. As you can see, codecs no longer exist. If you go to download codecs, it is now just called Chatgpt because they are moving it all in one. I know. And we're going to give a tutorial on this because it was a little confusing, I'm not going to lie, about everything. And to go over it, I'm not going to blur anything, as you can see. There's codecs for developers for getting work done, of course. But now the odd part is if you see up there in the top left, that says chat. And then I went online to see if like it went to the online. And sure enough, it does. But again, I can't delete it from here, as you can see. And again, this is a beta. Pretty sure, to my knowledge, this is a beta. Yeah, this one right here. No, this one right here. This one right here. So, I'm not sure how you're supposed to delete chats yet. To my knowledge, again, you can't delete it. Yeah, you can't delete it. The voice is a lot better, I will say. Live voice is superior to the old advanced voice now. I know it came out a few days ago, but I was waiting for the model to come out to show it. You look at your usage. Not that bad. There's also show pet. I don't know what the pets are for. Hi, oh, these are the pets. The pets look the same. I never really use them because I don't like it. Hide pet, yeah. There's also invite a friend. Settings look similar. Computer use, browser, everything looks the same in here. It literally looks like this, but I mean, I do like the controllings. Settings, maybe. Default permissions. It looks all the same to me. Again, we will be trying the model for animations and images. The images look a lot better, I must say. I guess it's better at picking them. But now with the ChatGPT, instead of having two apps, or I guess they still do, or instead of having two apps, they do still have two. They have ChatGPT and ChatGPT Classic, which seem to be the exact same to me. I mean, this one just seems like it doesn't instant answers, chat with friends. I've used to use this one. There are a few of the conversations you have. GPT 5.6 Soul High, of course, is what I usually have it on. And we're gonna just test the voice. I do want to check one thing real quick. If I click there and I delete, it's gonna delete it. We'll also go over memory, but if you click right there too, does it automatically get rid of it? Does it not? Let me refresh it. Okay, it does not automatically get rid of it. That's kind of annoying. Now what should we work on? Just basic shit. It's pretty weird, funny to see. Classic and that. I'm not gonna sign into classic. Control Alt in. Oh, you can do that. You can add. Oh, so these are now task, not chats. So I guess chats connected to code. So, All right. So this is how ChatGPT 5.6 you can communicate to it. You can chat with it like, hey, or you can work with it like look at Outlook. We're just gonna say Outlook. Look, that's a shitty way to spell. Or code. We can say out of all of this, what's the best way? Well, if you're making essays or you just need to chat to it or asking it questions, chat is the best. If you're working, like for example, you need to respond to your boss, you need to give Outlook, or you just like you're at work and you need to understand work, then work is the best. Now, if you're wondering which is better to write an essay for, chat or work, it really depends on context. If you give the same context, there is zero difference between them. I've tested it, so I would still, if it's work, just use work. If it's just personal, use ChatGPT. It's one of business. If it's coding is definitely the best one for code. It creates kind of, instead of just like, oh, here's like a line, or let's put a line like this with like letter, we'll just put one. Like instead of it just giving like this and you copying and pasting and say if this doesn't work, well that. then code is definitely better because code has direct access to it. So, like, let's just say this is your computer. Code has direct access rather than web page and then your computer. It just has direct access to the files, so it's that has more context. Number one, it also is just better at coding, and unlike copying and pasting it, saying, "Oh, this is my environment," telling it all that context, it already has it, and generally it has higher reasoning. This is extra high. This doesn't, and it also has built-in kind of, I would say, template workflows in code. Let's put a T for template. I'm just drawing this because it was difficult for me to understand. I hope some of you. Also, the last thing. All right, so also for images, just depends. Chat, I would say, is the best, but coding also is good if you already have the context in it. Sorry if this is kind of chicken scratch. It's just I took me an hour to understand what the hell is going on here because it is all in one, and they don't really give the best tutorial on it on their website. So, and they want you to just ask the model, which I don't really like. I would prefer direct word. I do not have Node.js installed. We're also going to check token count. Supposedly this has a bigger token count, and we will see. Yes, it did add it to task. Okay, I just wanted to see that. Let's see the token usage. Can you move this around? Upgrade. This is actually very good. I'll turn this into a polished browser operatable GPT 5.6 animation and verify it live. So ran commands. Okay, so they did fix memories a little bit. What's concept? I've never seen it's a sub agent. Okay, it's a virtualization skill. Concept. So okay, so it created a concept of what it wants. I'm gonna kind of narrate this live and print. Okay, it reviewed it. Huh. I guess that's what sub-agents are for. I've saw it, but I've never seen it used one. Also, GPT 5.6 Soul is the best. Just to let you know. Effort is ultra. Consumes usage faster, just regular speed. Usage of my 3% on that. Ah, that's a lot. Okay, so this may be using a lot of usage. No wonder there's purple by it. I also do like you can slide it if I could. Yeah, see. Whoop whoop whoop. This is Terra Light, Soul Light. Yeah, Terra's low, Soul Light, high, extra high, ultra. Planning animation, patch with UI controls, use browser. Okay, that was it. So 20 minutes is not really worth it. I think everyone could say. Animation was decent, I must say, but for 19 minutes and 47 seconds and a final usage of, I don't even want to know. It is cooked. Okay. It seems better. If you think about it, I mean, you have to be on whiskey, so is it better than old animations? Yes, absolutely. Does it take a little bit too much money? So I think Ultra is a little too high. I think high is the best, especially for Soul. If I could click it, if I could effort, I think high or medium is the best. The best model is Soul. I wish you could see token count. I'll look it up in a second. Terra, Light, Soul. Yeah, I guess high is the best part. I guess it's the... Alright, so this is my analogy for everyone who's curious. So on the mobile app, you have the mobile app right here. If you just want to chat or make images, you can do for chat. Work is the same. It just has more context for work. So mobile, if you just need to chat, create images or responses, perfect, because you can get work, and you can even use desktop to use, or you can even use remote desktop to access desktop. Web version, like on your computer or even mobile, you can chat, work, create images, or if you want all in one, use the Windows or Mac OS desktop run to get code, work, and chat. And it does seem like this one updates the quickest too. Yeah, this is the best analogy I can think of. No, thank you for watching the video.